How to make your journaling aesthetic and cute. Maybe you've seen this kind of aesthetic journaling before. It's so cute and clean until you actually try to do it yourself. And suddenly it turns into this. Yeah, not so cute anymore. So what's the first problem? Bad handwriting. But hey, let's not blame ourselves too much. According to actual science, people with messy handwriting are smarter because their brains work faster than their hands. So we're just going to believe that for now and move on. Second issue, you need journaling stickers. You can either buy them or make your own, and trust me, just a few cute stickers can turn your boring notebook into a masterpiece. Like magic, right? Third, you keep searching for the perfect notebook. And by perfect, I don't mean gold-colored, I mean the one that just feels right. But let's be honest, even if you find it, you'll probably still not feel like sitting. So just grab a basic notebook and start already, like right now. Oh, I almost forgot about highlighters. They're a total game changer. Highlight your titles, doodle a bit, and boom, your journal looks 10 times more interesting. See? It's like magic with color. Now you might be thinking, I bought the stickers, I bought the highlighters, but my journal still looks like this. Yeah, that happens, like all the time. Let me tell you something, all those perfectly aesthetic journal pages you see on social media, they took months of practice. So stop comparing yourself and start practicing. Also, you're not supposed to copy someone else's style. Your journal doesn't need to look like theirs to be beautiful. Find your own vibe. And finally, journaling is whole of little tricks and habits that take time to learn. So don't worry if yours doesn't look perfect yet. You can always watch more videos like this to pick up new tips. And hey, if you've struggled with the same journaling chaos and figured it out, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.